Alright, so welcome back to the channel. I got my homie Marvin's 10 Gen SI here. We wanted to do a few 20 and 40 rolls, but I'm gonna have him tell you what he's done to the car so far.
What's up, YouTube? So my name is Marvin. I have just basically a PRL short ram intake on it. That's basically all I have done to it. I'm looking more in cosmetic wise, not really like for speed right now. Maybe later on in the future, in a few years when I build up my money. But it's just like little things like the little tape around like the red, the fog lights yellow, the side markers, and on the back tail lights I put a little more red on it, and just like little things. I'm more like cosmetic instead of speed, but just short ram right now. I'm basically all stock.
Clean. So my Accord is fully stock. So in terms of like engine performance mods, we're the same. Like there's no one has an advantage. So we're gonna see how the 20 and 40 roll goes. He said it's kind of complicated to take off the traction control, but we're gonna get that set up so that we can get some fair runs in. So 20 roll in first gear. I'm gonna have him honk. Go ahead and no. Oh no, I fucking lost him. Oh no, I lost him.
He's gone.
I got him, God. All right, so it turns out he was in second gear for that 20. So let's rerun that in first. Alright, so 40 roll in second gear. Ooh, you can do that intake, boy. Whenever you're ready. It's not exactly 40, but fuck it, it'll do. Alright, let's do the last 40. Second gear, of course. A little bit rough on the shifting there. Try to listen for the intake, it sounds good. Again with the 35, or whatever. Oh, he did better that time. He did better that time. Maybe he wants to rerun. Okay, fuck it. Let's finish this once and for all. Get that little 40 in, boy. I like how the intake sounds on the 10 gen though. Alright. His honks. He did better that second one, but let's see how it goes this time. Alright, so from the 20 rolls, the SI, it's not really a good speed for the SI because 20, it kind of relies more on low end torque, which the Accord has a lot more of because it has 250, and I believe the SI has like 180, or how much torque? I'm
not too sure.
Not too sure. It's probably about 180 or 190. So there's about 60. There's about 60 torque. There's a 60 difference between the torque. So the 20 roll, it favors the Accord more, but in the 40s, the SI was holding its own better there. It definitely was hanging in a little bit longer. He suggested that we run maybe 50 or 60 rolls on the highway, which I'm down for, but we're gonna have to do that again some other day because it's a little bit sketchy right now and it's broad daylight. So hopefully you guys like the video. I'll see you guys in the next upload.